there's another one.
Making bird feeders.
Yeah.
Hey, put it right here. Mommy, look, line.
You're doing really good.
Me too?
Oh, good job. All right, here you go. You're gonna spread it all over any money.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
It's okay. You can eat it. But don't eat all of it because if you eat all of it, we're not gonna have any for the birds.
Ah.
Here, baby.
This?
Here, I'll hold it.
on here.
Good job.
Me too.
No, you do. That's right.
Here, put some
Look
more.
nice.
You want me to help you? Here, give me
If
this.
it gets in your fingers, okay, then you can need more peanut butter.
Yeah, that's not even gonna wait for them. You just wipe it
And
off.
more peanut butter.
That's enough. Just make sure it goes. It fits everywhere.
And then more.
No, you don't. You don't need that much. Look. Good job.
Me too.
There you go. Now spread it. Start at the top.
Lift it up. Mommy, lick. I can lick it.
No, when you're done. You can lick it when you're done because you have more to do.
I like this.
When you're done, you can. You're done? No, you're not. Look. You still have some more over here.
Mommy, you
Cover
do
this.
it, please.
Look. It's good.
Why is this one here?
Do you need help?
Spread it here now.
Okay.
Oh, but hey.
Flip it. There you go.
Mommy, look.
Here, you want the knife?
There you go.
What's the bell?
your
bell. Wait, he's still. What?
Annie, I see you licking it. You got to wait until you're done.
Oh, these are books out here. We're making feed.
Yeah, so if we make some bird feeders, you're going to see a lot more birds out here.
These are ours? We're gonna make some birds?
No, these are for the birds. So the birds can eat. And they can come visit us. You want the birds to come visit us a lot?
There's peanut butter cookies. And we're gonna make the birds really higher.
Oh, yeah, you see?
I can't wait
And we can have bird nests, and you can hear them all day here.
Oh, Mom.
Mm-hmm. So you can eat
Because,
it.
do you know why we need peanut butter? Because the seeds can stick.
There you go. That's right. So you don't need a lot.
Huh? Sí, no, no.
Échale un poquito más.
You
Is
want
it
peanut
good?
butter?
I have me.
You want me to help you? There you go. Yes, please.
Here, put some more.
It was harder. I been eating bananas.
Don't lick the roll, Abraham.
I lick it too.
I don't think the birds are going to come. Because they're going to feel that there's been humans in those rolls.
I'm not licking it. I'm not licking nothing. Mommy, you can do this.
A ver, ten. Ready, Jonah? Now you're going to roll these. Hold the roll. The paper roll. Hold it. With both hands.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now you're going to roll it on the food. Lay it down and roll it.
Mommy.
Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Now,
Do you need help?
Bring it back and roll.
Here? Uh-oh.
Okay. Put some more right here. Right here.
Roll it through.
Yum. Treat, treat. Mama, uh-oh.
No, Papa. It's already here. Look.
Mama, uh-oh.
Is it